So everything you want is on the other side of your fear. So what do I mean by that? Maybe you want money, maybe you want a particular skill, maybe you just want to grow on social media, or you just want to stand out in your class. There may be anything which you want, and usually it is surrounded by all this mystery that how do I do this, and what's the concrete steps and everything. But there is pretty much one or two things. First, you don't know what to do, and second, you have a fear around it, that what will other people think, what if I fail, what if it doesn't work out, how will it affect my self identity, how much work will it need, all these fears you have. So there are just two things. For the first thing, I can't really help you, because like how would I know what is the specific work which you need to do. But I can tell you how you can actually work on the fear thing. So you will always have, the one practical advice I can give is that you always will have fear, and you just need to do it anyways. Eventually the things start to cool down, and you get a little bit confidence in yourself, and you become good at it. Eventually when you suck at something and you work hard at it, you become good, and then you suck at it less, and slowly but surely you build confidence. So this is the one and quickest and easiest way. There are no hacks. So what's an example? Like, what can I give you a practical example which I had in my own life? Like, growing up, I was fairly, very, not fairly, even like very much, I was uh, not confident in my own body. Like, I had severe anxiety about my own face, my color, and my weight in general. I had bitch titties, like, and so it was really grave, and it shattered my confidence everywhere, from talking to girls to even holding my head up high even in front of people. So what did I do? At the starting of class ninth, I just simply ate less calories and worked out, walked, and eventually my body improved. Thus, my confidence did. So, what's the one thing which I did? I took action instead of waiting around in this fear of how will I do this? What if people think that I'm trying too hard? What if they think that I am a too much person? If I don't lose weight, what will I do? And all this bullshit crap, what my parents would think. I never cared about that stuff. I just went in and did it, just eating less and doing the walk. Now this was a fairly easy thing for me to, because it only takes around 45 minutes to walk, and you just need to eat less. But for you it might be something which takes a lot more time, or which is much more socially demanding. But still, that's the only way to do it. You have to do it. I had the longest time delay to actually post content. I was so fearful. Like, I never even ever spoke at a public speech. I never gave a public speech in my whole life. And here I had to post in front of thousands of people, which anyone could see. I was fucking afraid, and I still did it. And even now I'm afraid, but I do it anyways. Like right now, I'm currently mm, recording on my terrace, and there are so many terraces around me, and people are there stood up in their own houses, and they can see me recording. And all these fears come in my mind, that oh, they will think of me as an influencer or try hard, like, kind of thing. But I still do it even though I'm fearful. Like, let's give you one more instance from my own life. I had this coaching. I went to it every day, morning, in the morning, or for my J prep. And my friends knew that I had a YouTube channel at that time. And they, friends being boyfriends being friends, they always try to pick on each other. So they They ran my video of my YouTube channel on a projector which a whole class of 70-80 people could see, and I had to bear that anxiety and embarrassment. And yeah, they ran on the projector. 20 people saw, 10 people care. 10 people thought about it. 5 cared. Like out of 80, fuck you, 5 people cared. So yeah, that's how less people not how much, how less people care about you. So just don't do, just don't. Everything you want is on the other side of you. So that's what the value I had for today. Now, two quick plugins. I have started online coaching, which is absolutely free. You can join it, and I will help you with whatever you want, essentially giving you clarity on the fears which you have. And second, I love to write, and thus I write essays every day, and you can read them for free. Both of the links are in my description. And yeah, take care. I love you no matter what, even if you click or you don't. Bye bye.